Good morning.
Good morning.
So we already got basically everything packed. The new camera, the new bag, not camera bag, just the bag.
Our new travel bag.
You can see it, it's like black, so it's kind of hard. Got the new stabilizer.
Oh look, and water bottles too.
New water bottles, we're fancy now. But we're gonna load up the car and say bye to the dogs because it's almost 4 o'clock. All right, yet. Ray, come here. Come here. Say goodbye, pretty girl. Oh, yes.
Oh, go miss my baby so much. You have no idea.
Where are you going? Come here, Savage.
I'm gonna miss you, sweet girl.
Goodbye, Ram. I got it.
Should not watch and just wave us through.
Thank you.
Welcome to California! Woo! Hey guys, so I just woke up. It's like outside right now. We are literally in the middle. We are like inside a cloud basically. Look at this.
Yeah, it's a slow rainstorm.
I don't know, but if you look, like, I'll show you in just a second, but this is like from my window. And then you can see Kevin's got the windshield wipers on because it's all misty. It's not necessarily raining, but it's all misty. So it has cleared up a lot. I mean, it's still kind of foggy out, but it has cleared up a lot. We are pretty close, guys. We have like, what, 15, 20 minutes left?
80 miles.
Yep, not 15, 20 minutes left.
For like an hour and a half.
And I thought we were a lot closer than that.
That's all right.
So Kevin lied to me, and I was right. We are almost there.
No, we're not. It was like a half hour from the hotel.
Oh my goodness, we're at the parking lot, guys! What?
Are you ready?
Yep. That's the goal.
Oh, the GoPro's been on for 9 minutes.
So it looked you were pretty convincing.
So we're waiting in line for our passes. Maybe.
So why?
Alright, we made it inside the car. Hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Oh, you know, done nothing but wait in damn lines.
So we're going to Big Thunder? I can't get us both. Anyways, yeah, we're going to like Big Thunder?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're scanning for like 10.
Hi.
Hi.
So instead we decided to go towards Haunted Mansion. Oh, and there's Tiana.
Front desk. May I have some of those shields?
This chamber has no windows and no doors, which offers you this chilling challenge: to find a way out.
Wow.
Every room is swarmed with creeps.
Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell.
lunch.
Finally.
Back to the day passes. So sad. But we're going to DCA as mentioned before. There's an Alexis with no sunglasses. Sharing New Year's, the Guardians themed. On our way downtown.
Walking fast.
You know, and there's a trolley for whatever reason stopped.
Jesse.
There's the guy. They added TVs to the little sign over there. This is different. But there's the tower. Long live the tower. The tower.
Oh my. A vlog within a vlog.
Look who's filming.
Mine's not on now either.
Why I have wired each cage with unimaginable power coming directly from my massive generator.
Rocket unplugs you and starts things rocking. Now show me those hands, people. You got clearance, let's roll. Okay, I got
So we're back in the land of Disney. There's an Alexis. All right, so we're making it over here, mans. There's an Alexis again.
No more pomegranates, apparently.
It's a new movement.
No pomegranates! No pomegranates! I don't want them anywhere near here. Am I clear? No pomegranates! Say it.
This is the line for a fast pass. Look, it knows. There you go.
You excited to see Star Wars Land?
I saw it before.
When?
The first drop.
Hi guys, so we're on our way to the hotel. We're about to go check in.
What are you laughing at, Lexus? Huh?
I'm not saying.
Why not? Yeah, there's an older guy over there. It looks like he has to shit his pants. He's walking all fast.
We are headed back to the parking lot now, going back to the park. We are available for another fast pass in about 20 minutes, probably. We're really not sure what we're gonna do, so I guess we will update you when we figure that out. But from what it looks like, waits are still pretty horrible at Disney's right now, so we're probably just gonna end up waiting in line for something.
We made it back in one piece.
We're about to move again though.
So, what's the plan, Stan?
We are going to DCA. We're gonna ride Mater or Luigi, and then possibly Guardians, depending on the wait, because the wait was like 45 minutes and then it went back up to 60, so who knows what the wait actually is at this point.
Alrighty. We in the park.
Guys, there's no craft bears out.
Frozen.
Because where else would we have dinner?
Grab a thingy.
Alright, so we decided to just get dinner instead. We were gonna go to dinner after we rode Guardians at like, what, 8:30ish?
An hour.
But we decided to just eat dinner instead because all the waits just really suck right now. So we're at the Plaza Inn, of course. Where else would we go? I got the Alfredo, and then Kevin got the chicken Philly.
She's mad at me. I filmed an old man with a scooter. It'll be in the video.
I just don't want you to post it anywhere.
It'll be in the video. You should see it by now. Yo. Anyways, so we're going to get in this bitch.
I'm so tired. But anyway, we made it back to the hotel room, obviously.
No, this is flying around the world.
Shut up.